Got bad credit? Now you can laugh at bad credit. I have never shared my Tradeline credit methods with anyone until now. Discover the secret source that gets anyone approved for a $10,000 loan, regardless of credit history. Dear friend, if you would like to learn how to get money quick by raising your credit scores 100 points overnight, build a perfect credit report, regardless of your current credit situation, this is going to be the most exciting message you will ever read. Here is why. I've spent many years working as a highly paid credit consultant and loan/credit trade line wholesaler. I have helped hundreds of consumers, just like you, get the credit they deserve in order to start enjoying the finer things in life. I have been the secret plug and wholesaler for trade line brokers that have sold trade lines for $500, $1,000, $1,500, and even as high as $10,000 and over. My consulting fee is typically $300 per hour with a 6-hour minimum, and much more for my trade line accounts that I have provided for consumers and resellers. But for a very limited time, I have decided to share my insider methods and secret system with you. With adding Tradeline's cars, homes, credit cards, non-prepay cell phone plans, jewelry, personal loans, mortgage loans, and almost anything can be yours right now. It doesn't matter if you have no credit or bad credit. Once I reveal the many insider secrets of the Tradeline credit system, you can amass thousands of dollars in credit cards very quickly. For example, when you receive your package, you're going to learn my special secret Tradeline list that I use to get my clients' credit score increases of over 100 points overnight with no security deposit, no annual fee, and no credit check. This secret list of unsecured trade lines of credit is the ultimate weapon for building your credit fast, and practically nobody knows about it. And many of them are free. My powerful secret for never being nervous or sick over any financial emergency again. After implementing my trade lines, some free, your credit scores will jump, and then you will use my secret credit sites with your new high scores to always have $1 million to $10 million of credit available. I personally use this myself and have over $10 million always available for an emergency. Outside of a health issue or bad non-financial news, having over $1 million available can squash most of life's problems. The special phone number to call to get a $5,000 or more line of credit in with no security deposit, no annual fee, and no credit check. This $5,000 unsecured line of credit is the ultimate weapon for building your credit fast, and practically nobody knows about it. Just an added free included bonus. The hidden truth about creating an alternate credit file. Set up in only 15 minutes, and the only 100% legal and ethical method you can use to do it yourself. Starting with a $25,000 trade line reported to the major credit bureaus. You can get credit cards, loans, cars, and apartments. It doesn't matter if you have 5 repos, 2 evictions, and a bankruptcy. You can have all new credit same day. The 3-step system. Some attorneys and credit repair clinics charge $2,000 for to repair your credit, and how you can easily do it yourself for free once you know how. 3 simple secrets to start getting dozens of pre-approved credit cards in your mailbox. Powerful facts about how to be approved for these unsecured credit cards 100% of the time. How to borrow up to $25,000 in 24 hours with no credit check and no cosigner. Take up to 30 years to pay it back. Used for years by entrepreneurs and millionaires around the world. How to borrow $200,000 in 24 hours on your signature. This information alone is priceless. The secret to getting approved for buying a home after using my Tradeline credit methods, and secrets with no money down. Don't pay hundreds of dollars for this info when it's included free in my course. Copy and mail this one short letter that's guaranteed to stop all harassing collection agency calls forever. Special federal law bill collectors hope you never discover, and it's not the one some know about. This one gets the accounts deleted. For the first time, discover how easy it is to work the system with more insider method and secrets found no where else except my Tradeline credit methods and secrets. How to borrow up to $10,000 or more for 1 year regardless of credit score and pay zero interest. So simple you'll wonder why you never thought of it. Credit Repair Attorney's $1,000 secret to removing bankruptcy, tax liens, and judgments from your credit reports. And how you can do it yourself for less than $20. Another extra bonus on top of my Tradeline score increasers. How consumers like you have erased 100% accurate bad credit from their credit reports in 24 hours. Top secret info the credit bureaus don't want you to know. How to buy the car of your dreams right now regardless of your current credit situation. Life is too short to not drive your dream car. Now you can. The secret to get a checking account in lightning speed, even if you've been reported to check systems. No more hassling with money orders. How consumers have used my little-known secret to completely eliminate medical bill collections. Use this one technique and have them scrambling for cover. Another free bonus. How to make over $150,000 a year or more, helping others improve their financial and credit situation with my Tradeline credit methods and secrets. One of the best ways you can fire your boss and sleep in for life. Becoming a Tradeline Credit Master Agent details included. If you want a new car, you'll learn how to get it. Not if you want a credit card. You'll learn how to get it. Not if you want your own house. You'll learn how to get it. Not if you want to learn how to borrow up to $25,000 with no credit check and no co-signer. You'll learn how to get it. Not if you want to learn how to borrow $200,000 in 24 hours on signature. You'll get it. At this point, you must be wondering how much all these proven secrets cost, so you can laugh at bad credit, right? Well, first let's talk about how much the program is worth. After all, without the program, someone would be forced to struggle with their bad credit for up to 10 years. Imagine even the next 3 years with bad credit.